is a private because we are only here. You can swim as much as you want.
Oh, it's swimming pool own room.
Yes.
My pool, my room. Get out. Under the water, the plant. Water bin. Oh yeah. It's okay if we make water bin this time. I'm not gonna stand here like mommy or this is cold.
We're here in our destination, Silaya.
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome.
For a night.
This is gonna be our. They have here. Welcome to Bali 1. There you go. Let's go in. Yeah, Feifei is already here. Are you the owner?
No.
Okay, let's have a tour nga.
Come in.
Wow. Ayan, they have this.
And free Wi-Fi.
With the free Wi-Fi daw. Ayan. And our bed. And they have extra bed.
Wow.
This is mine. This is mine.
May extra bed pa. May small bed. Parang no need na
And the
nating
toilet.
i-open yung ating ano.
And the toilet.
And then they have the toilet. Let's see the toilet. Ah, suway. It's big. And
our private swimming pool.
And our private swimming pool.
3, 2, 1.
Wow! Tada! Ayan, suway. Yes, very nice. Ayan. Ayan, ano pa tayo ng water.
I love this
You
one.
can eat here. I love this one.
We will be in a nest. Aray, mainit.
I'm gonna climb over the neighbor.
At ayan ang Sirindon Dam. No, maganda rin ang kanilang view.
I'm gonna climb over the neighbor's
It's very nice.
Going to sneak into the other neighbor's swimming
They're
pool.
just
Putting more water.
But we're kind of swimming late because it's still very hot.
Yes.
Very. And the chair is very hot.
And this is their other room. I think this is the 5 to 10 people.
Where are you?
There you go.
May ano pala dyan. Malaki na swimming pool dyan. And this one, it's the best.
Yes. This is for the chillax. Ito yung binayaran namin dito.
Aray ko. Yung puwit ko.
Yung puwet. It's very nice.
Maya. Wow, may ganito
Open!
Pa. May ganito pa, oh. Yan, ang pangalan. Siraya Pool Villa. May
Ayan.
cafe pa.
Siraya Pool Villa Cafe. Open, Noy. Yeah, there you go.
There I go with pink.
May at least. May may...
Mommy often said I will fall down tomorrow. But when I fall down, it will just be a little.
I won't fall.
Very nice.
Either it's small and
Bubuksan ulit.
where's the kitchen?
Yo!
Where's the kitchen?
Walang kitchen, Let's check the other things here. Nordic. Okay, Nordic 1. May swimming pool din sila. That other one. They also have the swimming pool. This one, I think, wala. And this, wala din. Nordic Do. Oh, this one has one. Pero pang madamihan siya. Ayun, may tao. Nordic Saw. Ah, this one. Ganda din. Ayun yung kanila. Bathtub lang. And then they have here. Then they have here. They have here. Ayun. Yun yung kaibahan ng aming villa. Ito, may swimming pool sila dito. Para dun sa mga rooms na walang swimming pool. Ito. Oh, maganda din. Sadiha. Oh, ayan. Very nice. Ganun lang talaga. Kaliit.
Guys, this boat is only for 35 kilograms.
And how many kilograms are you?
60!
Oh my God! 35.
35? Oh, I need my good one. This girl is way too light. Let's play beach volleyball. This side don't pass, but don't throw. Hi! This is our birthday celebration!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
And let's cheers.
Ate, come on. No.
Di ba prepared? Prepared. Let's prepare.
Let's pick it up. Oh!
One.
Wow. Looks like pee. Perfect one for you. Looks like pee. Peter, what up yours?
Hey, come here.
Cheers, cheers.
Hey.
After
Hey,
singing
come
this song.
Yeah. Quickly.
Come here, Faye.
Quick lang. Come here, come here. Ah. Ate.
Happy birthday.
Ah, not like that. Like this.
Like this.
Ah.
Can I do like this? I'm a boss. Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Mommy.
Happy birthday,
Mommy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Cheers.
Mommy, happy birthday.
I wish my kids will always be healthy. And my husband too. Be healthy always. Cheers for that. And Ate will achieve
mommy's goals too. Cheers for that. Not yet.
Marami pa tayo
Marami
cheers
pa akong wish.
Okay, go.
Bawat wish may cheer. Oh, wala pa akong wish
Good health for mommy.
Cheer.
No stress for mommy.
Cheer.
What's your wish for mommy?
Strong and healthy all the time.
Yay! Cheers for that.
How about you? What's your
Oh, mommy.
wish for mommy? And it can be personal.
Okay. Dali, inom na ako.
I can't think of it.
Ah?
Oh, mommy.
Cheer. That will be it.
Ano?
My wish is my family's happiness. Yay! Cheers. Thank the Lord
Thank you, Lord.
for my 39 years. Being healthy and happy, and I have this wonderful family.
I forgot something.
And, of course, work, stable work. Thank you sa mga wishes nyo. Love you. Are you happy? Are you happy? If you are happy, mommy and daddy are happy.
And also thank you for mommy for being
Look at this weather. Ayan. Mag-change pool daw sila. Change swimming pool. Ate Fe, what can you say? ไปไหน ดีนี่ เฟ้ยไปไหน
Oh, that's fine.
Yes. Dali.